Hi, my name is Jessica, and this is my initial family therapy session role play. For my first segment, I would begin the meeting by introducing myself. So, I am Jessica. I'm going to be your clinician for today. I just want to let everyone know that I am not here to judge. I am here to help and better understand your family as well as your family dynamic and why are we here today. I do want to start off by setting some ground rules for everybody. The first rule is that when someone is speaking, we wait our turn and don't overspeak each other. Let that person finish their thought and then you can speak. I would also ask the family what are some of the ground rules that you would like to initiate. I just want everyone to keep in mind that I am a mandated reporter. So if we do discuss any child abuse, I do have to report it. Or if we do discuss where anyone is thinking of harming themselves or thinking of harming someone else, I also do have to report that too. I would then start to go around the room and ask everyone their name, as well as their age, and one thing that they enjoy. I also would ask everyone what the family dynamic is and what their communication style is. How they communicate with each other is important, so I definitely want to know how you guys communicate with each other or if you feel that you are heard from the other person that you are communicating with. Then I would start off by asking the family, each one, mom, dad, brother, and sister, what they think brought them here and why they think they're here. Each person may feel differently and they're not right or wrong, but it's why you feel like you are here and what you think you can get from this session as well as ongoing sessions, what you want to take away from it. I would then discuss the goals for the family, each goal that each person wants to set. And I would continue to discuss expressing their feelings as well as communication. They have a long history with each other and they are going through something difficult in their life. And I would definitely want to see how each one is able to express feelings as well as if they are able to communicate with each other. For the second segment, if they were bickering or blaming each other, I would remind each person of the ground rules that we set in the beginning of the session, which is don't overtalk anyone, make sure that everyone is heard, and then remind them of the ground rules that they put in place. I would also help facilitate the conversations. So if mom was blaming dad, I would say, well, mom, I hear you saying this. Dad, what do you hear mom saying when she says this? Since mom feels that she feels a certain way about dad, I would try and help them both understand where the other one is coming from, as well as the daughter. They have always viewed her as happy, and I would try and have her, if she was expressing herself and they were blaming or minimizing how she was feeling, I would interject and say, well, this is her feelings. She's entitled to her feelings. I would remind them she is allowed to express her feelings and what she wants to get from this session and how she is feeling at this moment. For the third segment, to end the session as well as their homework, I would ask the family, start journaling your feelings. If you're feeling a type of way or you're feeling frustrated with someone or you're feeling like someone's not listening to you or they're undervaluing you or you can't communicate with that person, start journaling them. Journal them for the week, and then at the next session we can talk about them. But also try and communicate your feelings openly. Try and talk to the family member that you're feeling frustrated or sad or mad or any type of feeling that you're feeling with them. Try and communicate that openly, and if it doesn't go as planned, then go back to your journal so that we can discuss it the next week. How did it make you feel? Open communication with each other, I think, will kind of help you guys understand the other person's feelings, but also if you feel that you're not heard at the next session, we can definitely talk about that and elaborate on that. I would also suggest for another homework to do one thing together as a family. whether it be a movie night or something relaxing or just having dinner together as a family, to kind of take time to talk about your week and your day. And then we can discuss how that made you feel at the next session. And then I would end the session.